What's up, guys, man? Back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We back in the wrap on our way up to BBV. Man, we got some wheels and stuff back there. Got to de-tire them wheels and take the bearings and all that good stuff out and just get them ready and prepared for a powder coat. About to get some wheels powder coated black and then get some tires mounted up on some other joints, man. So as well, man, we got to check out the Road Glide, man. It's been up there for a couple days. Yesterday was like the first full day it's been up there, man. So I'm just trying to see if they got a chance to either look at it yet or start on it or anything like that. But we're gonna go check it out, man. So rock with your boy and let's get it in. Just pulled up to BBV, man. We trying to be great and get this stuff out of here. They just said the power is all off, so they closed up shop. There ain't nobody even here at all. So what can we really do today? What can we really get done today but ride, man? So I think I'm about to go hop on my hog for a little minute. I think that's what I'm about to do, dog. Man, I had to hop in the I-8. Freaking, I ain't had much to do today because the BBV and stuff is closed. So we can't do what we wanted to, but we gonna go get some tin and stuff on this thing, man. This thing is like a fishbowl right now. And I can't be sliding like a fishbowl, man. I be looking like a tourist or like this is a rental car, man. So we about to go get this tin on this joint, man. Blue seat belts and all, dog. Let's slide, man. Y'all hear the zzz? Yes, sir. It's time to get the I-8 in that joint. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro. Good looking out. Yes, sir, guys. We got the tint on that thing. That thing is looking that much better. Definitely looks more so like a Batmobile to me, man. What y'all think? Let me know right now in the comments below. But oh my Jesus, I'm digging it. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what's up. Definitely looks more like secluded, at least. I was rolling around with that fishbowl, dog. Rolling around with the fishbowl, but we got it situated. Got it good to go. My guys is hooking me up, man, so y'all already see what's going on. Made it back to the crib, got the tin on that joint. Look, I'll show y'all the other side real quick. Yeah, that thing look way better now. A little bit more secluded. But operation get the car seat in this joint. We got it in there, so it's working out. Mama, you ready? Let's go bye-bye. Like, all right, let's go. Come on, let's roll out. Next day here, we didn't call up BBV already because we're not about to waste a trip, but they are open. Yesterday, they was out of power, but we can get some stuff rocking today, man. So gotta go get these wheels situated, go get them powder coated and whatnot. So come slide with your boy and let's dip. Just pull back up to BBV. Got our reels here. Taking the bearings and stuff out of there. Taking the tire and stuff off of that one. Getting them ready for powder coat. Out here got a homie bike. It looked like his bike is ready to go now. That's cool. Then I was just about to walk right past this one. I didn't even realize this was our bike. So, yeah, they said they waiting on like a little fuel line or whatnot. But no big deal. Gonna get it going here soon. Gonna get it going here, man. All right, man, we done dropped our wheels off at the powder coat. Now it's time to get them things looking good. See what's cracking. Made it back to the house later on in the day. About to pull the giveaway back out and take it for a spin. You guys know I only rode this thing like one time, man, so kind of want to go enjoy it a little bit while I got some time and we're waiting on stuff. Meanwhile, Antonio did finish up with the CVO part, so we should be getting some cool, we should be getting a lot of work done within the next couple of days, emptying out this garage and getting some stuff clear. So yeah, let's go hop on this joint though. Yes, sir. Got that thing looking and sounding good, dog. Let's hop on this joint. sir. Cool little ride, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got that joint on them joints. Just pulled up on a homie. Y'all remember he got this bike from Copart the last time we tuned in. Look like he over here putting this crash bar on, man. He done took the class and got a bike, man. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, man. Make sure y'all go sign up today to learn Copart. You can be the next one with a Harley or any type of vehicle you like. Whatever you want, man. Alrighty, man, we done made it back to the crib. This thing is looking good. Like riding this thing, it's just hot as heck out here right now. So this is probably the best time to ride it and ride it through the canyons because it'll be a little bit cooler, but real nice bike, man. If you guys are interested in the giveaway, man, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com, cop you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We literally only got a select few hats left, man. So if you guys are interested, man, don't hesitate. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It is freaking hot. It's burning up, man. We took the wheels in, getting them things powder coated. Got a chance to ride something, man. We ain't been able to ride in like a few days, man. Literally just been busy. But, you know, busy is good. So I want to thank everybody out there for supporting, everybody out there for tuning in today. Thanks a bunch, man. If you guys are interested in the giveaway, man, head over to everythingsregular.com and cop your hat right now. Antonio did hit me, says he has the parts for the orange pieces done. So, you know, we got to head out to the city. I'll probably take the bike with me just so we can have that thing down there already. Later on or during the week sometime, we'll take the black one so we can take them both at the same time. And that'll be cool, man. So we'll be able to clear up some space here real soon, man. So with that being said, man, I have to catch you guys on the next one. You know, Mother's Day is today, your day, but, you know, it's yesterday, my day. So I got to hit the malls and stuff before this stuff closed, man. So with that being said, I'm going to have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.